Hello again. Now, you know, Mr. Monkey reminds me of Jack. He's obsessed with football, but he's very sweet. Did you hear what he said to Alice? He said, "You're the most brilliant roommate we've ever had." That's really sweet. And did you hear them talking about football? Well, I don't know what you thought. They said, this was Jack, he said, "Ajax is the best football team in the world." Debatable. Alice said her father was the worst father. And Jack then said, "You are the funniest roommate that I have ever had." And so these are all examples of exceptions in the superlative form. I want to go to the screen now and look at those because they're not that easy. So, look at the first example. With adjectives ending in Y, we remove the Y as we've learnt before, and we add IEST. So, funny becomes the funniest. Easy becomes the easiest. So the examples are, "You're the funniest roommate I have ever had," for example. Or Naples is the noisiest city in Italy. Or it's the happiest day. All right, so those are two-syllable adjectives ending in Y. Now look at the exceptions. Remember, we have already learned that good, bad, and far are exceptions in the comparative. Well, look at the superlative. Good in the superlative becomes the best. So it's good, better, the best. Bad in the comparative is worse, remember? The superlative is the worst. Notice the T. Bad, worse, the worst. Don't forget to pronounce the T. And then far, the comparative we said was farther or further, and the superlative form is the farthest or the furthest. Okay? So, those are the three most important exceptions. You need to learn those by heart because words like good and bad we use every day. So try and memorize them, all right? And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.